Meaning of globally.
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 Globally. Globally is an adverb that describes something that is happening or impacting the entire world or a large portion of it. It suggests that the issue at hand transcends regional or local boundaries and has implications on a global scale. The use of globally highlights the interconnectedness of our world and the need for cooperation and collaboration between countries and nations to address various challenges such as climate change, pandemics, and economic instability. It also emphasizes the importance of considering the impact of our actions beyond our immediate surroundings and taking responsibility for our role in shaping the world.